Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and I'm so glad that you are here for today's video because it is time for another Freshie tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my adorable cow print car Freshies. Okay, so for this craft, you're going to need all of your basic car Freshie supplies. So I already have some pre-scented and cured aroma beads that I've already scented with some fragrance oil, and I've already added my mica pigment powder, and they are cured and ready to go, ready to be baked. You're also going to need your silicone molds and the little eyelet screws or cookie cutters and roofing nails and some baking pans. And then for today's specific video, we are going to be using some brown alcohol ink along with a fine needlepoint squeeze bottle and a tiny little funnel that actually comes with the pack of squeeze bottles if you order the same ones that I order off of Amazon, which I will link down below for you guys in the video description. I'm also going to be using some like white opal iridescent glitter that I also got off of Amazon, along with some matte acrylic paint that I've already put in some of these squeeze bottles. All right, I'm super excited to jump into this craft, so let's go ahead and get started. Now I already have my oven preheated to 300 degrees and I'm going to bake these for about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright y'all, so it's been about 17 minutes and while my Freshies are fresh out of the oven, I have a damp paper towel here and I'm just going to press down on that Freshie, and what this does is press down the aroma beads into the design at the bottom of that silicone mold so that it really picks up all of those details. If you don't want to do this, then you can also bake your Freshies in layers, which I've also seen a lot of other Freshie makers do when using silicone molds. I don't like to do that. I think this is much easier. So this is what I do, but to each their own, do whatever you prefer. And then very carefully, I'm just going to kind of press in all of the sides around the silicone mold so that it can press down all those spiky, jagged edges, which also helps so that we don't have to trim our Freshies with scissors later. Okay, and now I'm gonna let them completely cool down before we're ready to remove the Freshies from the silicone molds. Okay, and these are gonna bake for about 13 minutes. Okay, so now that our Freshies are cooled, we can take them out of the molds and start decorating. And all of these silicone molds are available on my website, so be sure to check those out. Cute little cowhide rug. And this is another new one. It says, "In Dolly We Trust," with a cute little cowgirl hat. Okay, so now we are going to use our white acrylic paint and paint over all of our Freshies in like a nice thin layer, and then we're going to coat it with our white iridescent opal-y glitter, and then we can drip on our brown alcohol ink. Okay, now I'm going to use one of my squeeze bottles and pour this brown alcohol ink into it using this little mini funnel that comes with them. Okay, and for this one, since my white glitter is kind of like indented in that design there, I'm gonna be taking a paintbrush and dipping it in the alcohol ink and then putting it on the glitter in there, just so I have a little bit better control and I can make sure that I stay inside of my design. Basically, we're painting inside the lines. Okay, so now that all of my car freshies are completely dry, now the ones that have holes, I'm just gonna be threading my elastic cord through, and the ones that do not have holes, because I didn't want a hole in the middle of the design, I'm gonna be screwing in my little eye screws here, and I just kind of center it up as best as I can, push down and start turning, and you just keep screwing it until it is all the way in the Freshie. And then we can thread our elastic cord through these just like we normally would with the others. And then with these little vent clips that I also decided to do, because why not? It kind of fits with the cowhide theme. So I just pull them out from the oven and then I immediately push the little vent clips down in there, and they are nice and secure and not budging. So needless to say, I am obsessed with all of these cow print car Freshies. All right, y'all, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I did. If you did like it, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop a comment down below. I would love to hear what you guys think. And if you're watching this video but you're not already subscribed to my channel, then make sure you click that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on my future videos. I would greatly appreciate the follow. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.